Wink is a low-odor, low-VOC coating that lets you turn any paintable surface into a creative place to write and erase. Wink lets you share ideas, plan, organize, and collaborate, all without the limitations of a whiteboard. This video will show you the simple steps it takes to apply Wink and create your very own write erase surface. Although Wink is really easy to apply, we believe in safety first. So please leave the mixing and application of Wink to an experienced painter who has carefully reviewed the material safety data sheet. We made Wink crystal clear, so the write erase surface you create can be any color you like. You're no longer stuck with white, so go ahead and add a bit of color to your surroundings. Have some fun with it. Just be sure to start with a clean surface first. Marks, scuff, or dings on the surface will show through, so take the necessary steps to ensure that the surface is as clean and as smooth as possible. Existing painted surfaces should be clean, dry, and free of dirt and grime. If you're going to be repainting before applying Wink, sand the existing area to remove high points or imperfections, and fill any holes or scratches. Use a quality primer and paint, and be sure to get the surface as smooth as possible with little to no stippling, lap marks, or roller lines. It is recommended that you apply Wink over an eggshell finish. Allow the freshly painted surface to fully dry, 4 or more hours depending on conditions, before applying Wink. With the surface now properly prepared, you're ready to apply Wink. You will need a 9-inch paint roller. We recommend using a 1/4-inch microfiber roller cover to achieve the smoothest finish, a clean metal roller tray, some low-tack painter's tape, and a Tarper disposable drop cloth. Note: do not use a plastic liner with the roller tray. When parts A and B are combined, they have an open time of 60 minutes. If you're going to be repainting more than one area, make sure all areas are prepped and ready to go before you mix Wink. Set parts A and B on a drop cloth to begin mixing. While using a stir stick, empty the entire contents of part B into part A. Do not shake or use a mechanical mixer, and always mix in the part A container. As A and B are mixed, Wink will begin to slightly thicken. Be sure to scrape the sides and bottom of the can. You want everything worked into the mix. Don't combine multiple kits, and don't reseal the cans once opened. After stirring for 3.5 minutes, let sweat for 5 minutes, and then pour into a clean metal roller tray. If you need to cut in, use a small brush and work quickly so that you can blend the cut in with a 9-inch roller before the paint begins to dry. Roll Wink vertically, maintaining a wet edge. Inspect the application from multiple angles. Make sure the coverage is nice and even. Because brush areas will appear different from the rolled sections, it is best to tape off the areas where brushing is required. Keep brushing to a minimum and be sure to bump the roller against the tape. Wink dries quickly, so remove the tape while the paint is still wet. Dispose of the roller after use. The roller tray can be cleaned with warm water, as can any drips or spills. Leftover Wink should not be poured down the drain. Allow Wink to fully cure for 5 days before writing on the surface. Each kit contains a flyer, which should be posted near the installation to let users know when surface is fully cured. Once the area has fully cured, we recommend preparing the surface with Wink surface conditioner, included in the kit. Apply conditioner to the entire surface and allow to dry before buffing off. If you do not condition your Wink surface, you may notice that marks appear watery. Conditioning helps to prevent this from occurring. Once the conditioning process is completed, you can affix the included cling sticker, which states that this wall is now ready to use. Over time, marker residue may build up on your surface. This can be remedied using quality dry erase cleaning sprays and wipes. After using the cleaner, it's a good idea to remove any residual cleaning residue by wiping with clean water. Following these steps will result in a quality installation and help create a unique space for sharing ideas, sketching concepts, and planning projects. If you have any questions regarding customer service or technical support, please contact us at 800-632-WINK.